Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. In today's video, we continue east on US Highway 98, concurrent with State Road 30 East and US 319 North, beginning at mile 200.3 as we leave Carrabelle in Franklin County, Florida. This entire stretch stays simple and rural, with one lane in each direction through the pines and only a turning lane waiting ahead at the route split. Franklin County, named for Benjamin Franklin, had an estimated population of 12,979 in 2024, and this shoreline is part of Florida's Forgotten Coast, a sparsely populated region known for fishing, beaches, and events like the Florida Seafood Festival and the Forgotten Coast On Plein Air Festival. Up ahead, we pass through Lanark Village, and it's more than just a strip of vacation homes and a market beside the highway. Lanark began as Lanark on the Gulf, a resort community promoted by the Georgia, Florida, and Alabama Railroad, then became part of Camp Gordon Johnston during World War II. After the war, former officers' quarters were converted into the community that remains here today. Lanark Village is now populated mainly by retirees, vacationers, and second homeowners, so that seasonal feel you get from the road is very real, even though this is also a year-round neighborhood. little farther on comes the split. US 319 continues straight ahead and works inland towards Sopchoppy, Crawfordville, and Tallahassee, then keeps going through Thomasville towards central Georgia. US-98 East and SR-30 East turn right here and stay closer to the coast, heading towards St. Teresa, Medart, and eventually Perry. It's a neat change in the route because the concurrency that began near Apalachicola breaks apart much like it began, in a very quiet spot, marked mostly by a turning lane and a handful of highway signs in the woods. But note that this is not the last we'll see of US 319. Soon we enter the loose coastal community of St. Teresa. This is one of those places where the name on the map is more obvious than any town center from the road because what you mostly see here are mailboxes, driveways, and scattered homes tucked back into the trees. But there is more here than first meets the eye. Nearby, the Florida State University Coastal and Marine Laboratory uses shoreline as a living lab with access to oyster reefs, seagrass meadows, salt marshes, and nearshore habitats. And the St. Teresa tract of Bald Point State Park adds trails, wetlands, and bay views just off the highway. Vacation rentals are also part of the landscape here, which fits the low-key character of the Forgotten Coast. As the coastline peeks back into view, we get one more reminder that this drive never strays far from the Gulf, even when the trees hide it for miles at a time. We conclude today's video at mile 216.6. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment below, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.